My name is Minna Arola, and I'm the Global Sales Director for Elematic software offering. I'm here in Big Five now for the first time, and I'm really delighted to meet all of our customers and visitors here at the booth. Well, as Zainab explained, we now have data coming from the machinery, but we also have Elematic Plant Control, which is a data-driven production management system where we offer a single database for the factory users and operators to use the data from different perspectives. We offer visibility and transparency to the element level, so each element we can track and monitor to the cost and to the quality level as well. Then what we do is we can have integrated design data brought to the system where we can do optimized production planning and scheduling. We can move the machinery with that data, so we have integration to our machinery, and then we can track the whole workflows from that production planning to the storage and to the site as well, optimizing all the workflows that the factories have. This way, the element flow from the factory becomes very efficient and the data allows continuous improvement for the factory operations. Our customers have realized cost benefits, so they have saved materials while they have been able to manage and forecast their material consumption. They have been able to manage their storage optimally, so they don't waste storage spaces, and they have the truck deliveries going out as optimized to the site production. So our customers can really save time and space when they are using plant control system.